Hi guys, so this is how my hair looks like right now since the last time na binleach ko siya. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's over somewhere here probably, or I would be linking it down. So ayan siya, ito yung hair ko ngayon. So I'm just trying to give you an update because I will be bleaching it again. And I will be using hydrogen peroxide and baking soda ulit before I really use the primer that I bought. So yun, ito lang muna, update lang tayo guys. So, hi guys, since I don't think my hair actually lightened compared to what I was expecting it to be kasi yung sa taas, natural hair na siya. So maybe I'm just gonna use the primer first. Hi guys! So I just finished maligo and nag-dry na yung hair ko. And from the first yung kaninang video is that you actually saw na I tried bleaching my hair again. But I don't think it actually worked kasi yung dito, this is my natural hair color. So I think it kind of lightened like very very little lang. Pero yung nandito kasi dati, yung unang time na binleach ko yung hair ko, it was actually, tawag dito, may color na siya. So, I think that's the reason why it lightened. And now, since may kulay nga, kaya siya ulit nag-lighten. And this, it's difficult to do it for here because nga, it's the natural hair color. I don't know if I was able to explain that properly, but I think, your hair color would only lighten if and only if it is like, a hair color na. If natural hair siya, hindi siya magla-lighten. I think, yun yung tamang gusto ko sabihin. And because of that, I think I'm just gonna use the primer that I got. So, para if I wanted to become lighter pa, siguro saka ko na lang siya gagawin ulit yung agua oxinata. Kasi nga, since may hair color na siya. Here, this is what I got. It is from Mise and Sin. I don't know what's this one. I just know it's Hello Bubble. I actually saw this when I went to Korea, but I got this from Popcart PH. Yep, so I got it from them. Kaya, just gonna, ito nga, katulad sabi ko, ito na-expect na color. Actually, baka nga ito, kasi dahil dark dito ko. But let's see na lang din. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it right now. It's gonna be the first time that I would be coloring my hair. And yes, nasa labas ulit ako ng bahay. So, meron na, I don't know, instructions ba to? Oh, there's instructions naman pala. So, solution 1. So, you to get it. Ito siya. Okay guys, if I were you, don't smell chemicals. Parang naging ano ko na lang siya, naging habit ko pag chem lab. Alam ko bawal, pero medyo normal talaga. About 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I don't think. Put the container on a flat surface. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna use my phone also to be my mirror because this is just very random. Because I'm supposed to be editing videos, but I'm lazy. I'm not in the mood to do so. Maybe it's because it's raining, or sometimes when life hits you, you just really feel sad. Okay, so may paganito siya. I just don't know how to actually use this one because okay. Huh? Oh, nice. Cool. Huh? Ah. Hot dog. It's supposed to be this way. Stupid. Yan. Diyos ko naman. Sana, ano siya, sulit. Kasi, I only have, ano to? Dahil short yung hair ko, isa lang yung binili ko. So, I'm hoping naman na effect, di siya kulang. Kasi, yeah. Wow, nitrile gloves meron sila. Siya, in fairness. Sorry talaga, inaamin kung weird ba. Pero ganun din talaga tayo, mga beshi wops. Beshi wops. Okay, so let me color my hair. I don't know guys, should I speak to you in English or Filipino mostly? Or let's just be Konya, cause that's just me. Kasi kanina umaga, my mom asked me, Anta, magaling ako mag-English? Hindi ako magaling mag-English. Confidence is the key. 3 to 4 pumps daw. So, mga... Ayun, 1, 2, 3. 3 lang kasi masyado siyang madami. Agad. So, just put here. Alam mo, may effect ka agad. Girl. Parang mali. Parang dapat sinection ko yung hair ko para... Hindi talaga nag-iisip si ate girl. Stupid. Yan, sige, section muna natin siya. You know what, maybe I should just call Ate Tess and help. So she'd help me. But you know, you can do this. You have to be independent. At saka baka nagpapahinga si ate. Huh? This malabo yung mata. Hindi ako nag-contact lens. Because like, every time I'm gonna be handling chemicals, I'd rather not wear contact lens. But I should wear protective glasses, like my eyeglasses, but I'm not wearing it too. Because dahil nagkukulay nga ako. Medyo, it doesn't actually smell like ammonia. But, yeah, it doesn't smell like it. It's either the product's not really working or it's just that I'm not really good. Not doing it properly. Mix pa din natin siya. Kumaganda yung skin ko. Sana pag nag-study na ulit ako, ganito rin yung skin ko. Maayos pa rin siya. I mean guys, it's not really as perfect as other people, but I really find my skin way better. Kahit na nai-stress pa din ako ngayon dahil sa mga nangyayari. Pero, it's all G. Kasi feel ko talaga dapat yung pinaka tinututukan ko is yung roots ko dahil yung roots kasi nga dito medyo nabibleach na siya dati. Pero ngayon talaga feeling ko walis ting-ting na yung aking yeah. Oh no, lumakas yung ulan lalo. Medyo mahapdi, pero baka dahil kasi nga I added hydrogen peroxide kanina. Guys, be careful of what chemicals you're putting on your skin or basta sa sarili nyo. Kasi it might cause allergic reaction. Actually, ang dami pa niya guys. So, sobrang sulit siya sa akin. Pero sige. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh god. Oh shit. Mukhang poop. Guys, actually madami pa siya. Actually meron pa siya. Hindi ko sure kung madami pa siya. Pero, too much. Yeah, so we'll be back later. Babad lang muna natin. Hey guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo. And it's raining. Actually, hindi pala ako naligo. More on, Diyos ko po. Dito. Diyan. Habang umuulan, binabalawan ko yung hair ko. Nakaka-tempt maligo. Pero, wow, it lightened. Ooh! I think this is the lightest ever na ginawa ko sa aking you know what guys, I was planning to put it na maging longer than that pa, pero ayan. Yun na, may ilaw guys. So, this is my hair journey for now because abangan nyo, meron pang kasunod to. There's a reason why it's like this. But all I can say is that the hair color was actually effective. Yeah, I mean, I think it should be naman, pero it's just that it's not as light as I thought it would be. But I already find it light, labo, pero ganun nga, para sa akin, this is the lightest that I have ever had. But at the same time, it's not as light as I was expecting it to be pa. So yeah, I was expecting it to be more than pa. And nakikipag-kompetensya sa akin yung lakas na ulan. So hindi ko alam kung gaano kalakas tong boses ko. Pero guys, ayun po. For now, dito muna nagtatapos ang hair journey natin. Kasi aabangan nyo pa naman siguro yung susunod pa. So kung ano na yung magiging next color ng aking buhok. But so far, ito na. So guys, as you can see, nagawa na natin gupita. Ngayong quarantine, ngayon nag-start ako sa vlog na to. Nakita nyo na akong gupitan yung buhok ko. Wala nga lang nung bangs, pero nakita nyo yung binleach ko siya. And nakita nyo, tinry ko ulit siyang i-bleach. At ngayon naman, eto, dito sa video na to nga, tinry ko siya ulit i-bleach yung natural hair ko. At kinulayan ko siya ngayon. So guys, abangan nyo siguro yung 4th vlog ko. Doon nyo makikita kung ano ba talaga yung rason kung bakit naging ganito yung buhok ko. So anyway guys, thank you for watching and mag-ingat kayo dahil maulan na. And of course, COVID. So ingat-ingat po kayo lahat.